You saw at my share. I know him before you, but then I can say Derby can be him. And I want to crown up board. You can't go guy anything.
Yeah, come make we chill, small. Dream TV for your mind. From Kasoa inside, the place feel proper. Authentic vibes, no long Asia. Come join the family inside the living room.
Inside the living room.
Where big dreams, where we the chair go bloom.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Nanayo Mensah, aka Debulate. Welcome to another episode of the Living Room Show. Once again, I'm here with the boss himself, Big Sinner, the boss of all nations. Listen, Alpha.
I be a bad man.
Oh, Charlie, I see you.
I be Charlie. Just the hustle
Oh,
now.
Charlie.
Yeah.
How be your woman?
Oh, me right now, Charlie. Me my woman dog me. Charlie.
Like how?
Charlie, long story.
The last 3 days, I was posting more beside the video.
You see, I'm playing car, no.
Say bad year. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
So we are
Oh, Charlie. Yeah, alumni, and then Musa House. And I know some topic in the around per se. Me know, come on, I'm a few months only a banner or relationship matters now. What the other boss kina, so are we? Yeah, to
When you fall, yeah, they are
oh, maybe I won't more in you date talk. That be why link. You know, and then you didn't come out. See, a basis super perfect amame. Say, was a woman, a doggy on the about come on, you be in the final paper. Yes, toxic relationship, any red flag. Yeah, and 100%. Yeah, kasa wo muntino. So you can say toxic relationship like relationship you dey inside but you no feel happy. You dey inside, you no feel happy.
In relationship, toxic.
Yeah.
As in, we like toxic na just we need genius and my baby koso.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's it. Toxic relationship there, like, as in, it's a whole lot of vibe. You get me?
Yeah.
So, it's very difficult. Some people are really into it, but it's very difficult for them to just go out from those kind of relationships. But it all depends on you. Akumana or the be film, you know. Maybe no be why invest or a relationship.
Why your school feeding program?
So I say so. It's like anything. So be film in this life, you know. In China, most of the people, you know, it's very difficult for them to just move out from this toxic relationship. Yeah. Especially in Bana controls those things. You see, yeah, a who can be a like yeah, that's the thing. Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Say you there, you know plenty about this. That will link you. So let me start with my questions. What is the single biggest red flag that people consistently make excuse for?
Bad man.
Bad man.
This matter I don't want to.
Oh, break down.
Alright, but then first of all, you see, thanks for your question. There is this thing going on in a relationship, especially say maybe kakra or our relationship. You find say oh be man only be. Oh I to say Charlie, what dream who do I come in now room now daddy. But who person here then who film but you can't because I don't know. Girl now na baby be amount.
On a
And the same lies to the guy. Also no be amount. Both side na. But here lies the case and say you the girl no won't me film because of kakra or the support on. And I will be man also no won't me film because of kakra girl no say on your mount. But it's very nice we all put in the hard work. You see that right now, a Juma soon said that needs any system, no more. So I can say, oh, babe, let me just do it for you from my heart. Babe, let me just do this for you from my heart. You get me? Until you say, especially, Obeka say, oh, I down for be answer, no, share. You get me? Oh, share down for be asking, or you do once and on you buy relationship no more. You get me?
Yeah.
As in, only Uber relationship no. That guy, no, answer no Uber. Fast nipa no World Cup. As in, who can book you or who your own is the title that also say you are my guy.
Yeah.
You get me?
Like I say, I know him before you.
You saw at my say, I know him before you. But then, I can say, Derby can be him. And I want to crown up board, you crown up guy.
And no.
And this talking about this thing too. People say, oh, they be not a friend. They be not a friend. Or another for keke. Yes, she him. There is nothing in it. She him. But we come no. Now,
Maybe
or
something
low key.
30 days I.
So at my say, so this kind of things, no. So me if I go this kind of things, pan there's a met now pan there, Charlie. Go and make it dock you then, Charlie. Me to make a pass my way, but
Yeah. So I can say, like you won't come out by yourself, so because of one or two benefits,
which is the benefit.
You don't want to come out.
You can't.
You go die inside that you go die.
So at myself, but if at a point, wow, then you the guy or the lady who you have found, like let's say you found yourself in those things now, just try and then put in hard work, get something doing, and just live out of that thing. Maybe next continue keep you in that relationship.
Yeah.
Then you are killing yourself deep inside you, like you are hurting yourself. Your spirit is speaking to yourself. Now, all catch yourself calling, then you catch yourself call. But who the pejano so to was in or men call. No question this kind of. But not what your spirit is telling you is your call. Maybe there is a door opening for you when you leave. Even less than a few seconds, everything can happen in a second. When fits a relationship, already say you've gone through a lot. But unya more time kakra, you see that you end up somewhere. No, I regret it
For losing you.
for losing you.
Yeah.
Because your funny say, girl no, or sorry if him from breakfast in bed. You now they do washing, cooking, the everything. Obe piaba, nya wa like ubu so many dry, ubia she can obey me the number to so say srane or say what's the name then na sanya money na ne pants cra na say ne pad cra one of best fix bad na man or pants mama na share those things na tire cra one of best so with all those things nipa ko no no dey ni ato ne so say Obeyama no, you are the best person that have done that. Insiano, so we done hokwa. The next person to come, no, only as a kind of
Yeah, like well, the talk say if one door close, open another door.
Yeah.
Make I ask you this question. You agree say your girlfriend go talk so me, I get male bestie. You agree for that?
I won't agree to that because that bestie level, Charlie, they cause problem as swear.
Bestie with benefits.
I swear. It's not the benefit though. They just say this is my best friend, but the benefit they are not going to add up to it. They do the thing low key behind closed doors. Into no make me so my bestie she ni na or like meaning na we are on your share, but you be cool. But you no spending days near there.
Sometimes we're spending nights no.
So at myself, we nyama look here, here. So that thing we won't say girl we on serious. So if she tells you say or bestie, that's all money time. Only in casa, day in day out, trying to change her from some bad attitudes. We try for that thing 1 month. You are command 1 month, 2 months, 3 months now. Ultimately on son bad man. Pave way.
Yeah, come out.
Just go out. Charlie, anyone know about.
Plenty get the outside.
You go fit go meet better one. You are with him. We didn't say no for. Baba ko share. We go say hey, we who here first you. You bow.
Yeah,
from that, although beside say why is this thing happening to me? Like maybe work such and we already say wage me, and I will turn the phone. But Obasa question another relationship. The same thing she's going to cause there. Now causing a breakup you. Then she comes to sit and realize no, and there the past then catch him society maybe you only came in as an advisor, not for relationship. You get me? You only came in for say like you advise her. You didn't come in for a relationship. But in what I'm trying to say, in quote, like you're in a relationship, but that relationship, you are just an advisor. I get him. You are just advising her. So maybe in her next relationship, you'll be the best person. Like that person will be the best person to take control over everything, and then they'll be happily there doing anything they want to do. You get
So I understand, Pa. So now let me ask you, if your friend is in a toxic relationship,
me?
do you intervene or you mind your business?
I mind my business, bad man.
Your best friend or date toxic relationship?
Bad man will advise myself. Like I go mind my business, cause like you see, it's two things. Okay, let's go this way. Yeah, me minding my business, is because one, say, maybe all cause get on a panel. Not me any hobby.
Yeah.
Me my some I didn't know what they said. That end up in that relationship. You get me? Until say because you cry and I say, "Uko can over than third person."
Okay.
You get me?
Yeah.
And in the other way, say me try say our advice now maybe I know something about that relationship from the beginning. Maybe because I mean when it's between her. I mean I mean link nipa no.
So my next question, was there a moment of clarity that made you finally walk away? So baby, I did no, Eddie Ameko.
Yeah. Cause let's take this thing as an example. Say you see people would go into this relationship and then this toxic maybe girl no or chiti so wakoto so and as a bema no wakoto so like both side no wato so be once twice like as in or advising I don't want to see this again. You see, like as in will be the cheating one so back now I say that's the end of your life. You get me? Like you wouldn't like you tell enemy that. But when you don't need panel, what we still energy with time, like you're everything in that person. You get me?
Okay.
It's do say Charlie, you have to give up. And I can say first time I can so cheating. We can say phone too. I could say or damn pim.
Yeah.
What man say? Bear 2 times and 3 times. To say hey we there. Or to me be happy but nipa no pay me say na down for kwano. This is what are on in here then. Yeah. So what do you have to do?
Okay.
You just look put me mouth big chance in this area then. Big jai. No free. So that man say, yeah, look at no be kwan be mama. We still young, we still youths, but then right now there's no who places here girl be official she's not single. It's two things. They are a comedy no. Rebecca says she's single. The only so okay, Rebecca says she's not single.
Okay.
You get me? They are a drama adukru no say. So that man on the Rebecca says I'm not single.
I am Munjaisa.
I'm betting on chance so of course. Not there are two silence.
Be friend remember. Santo we cried the two or the two mute. One point we cried the two
flight
do not disturb. Yeah. The and on call friend remember. But to why you so my girlfriend radio on purpose here, Master Wechigo.
So that man
here Wechigo. Baby, the network is bad. Let's talk tomorrow. Chama, where you go. Yeah,
sorry.
Where you go.
You get me?
Where you go.
Your club, your couple side, your crazy.
And then mama that. Where you go.
Yeah. Me, I don't do calls. I only do testing.
Where you go.
You get me?
Where you go.
Minimum that. Minimum papa
where you go.
Nah, like Charlie.
Where you go.
This thing.
Chama, where you go. Shower eyes.
Yeah.
Where you go. So that was how you man.
Oh, Charlie, yeah, we talk about
So,
like I say, I'm happy. So, like, Charlie, it's like
enjoy the life.
You have to enjoy, bad man.
Okay. Yeah. You people enjoy. Enjoy.
It's not all about relationship.
Yeah.
You just have to make time for
Money,
yourself.
money first. When you got money,
You see, money is everything, but money is not everything. Trust me, money is everything, but money is not everything. Yeah, Sana Mokano. Money is everything, but money is not everything.